Are you looking to nourish your nerves and boost your well-being? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we've compiled a list of the 7 best foods that can work wonders for your nervous system. From improving cognitive function to reducing stress, these foods are sure to keep your nerves in top shape. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss out on these nerve-nourishing delicacies. Let's dive right in. Number 7. Walnuts. Walnuts, often referred to as brain food, have long been recognized for their beneficial effects on the nervous system. Packed with essential nutrients, walnuts offer a range of benefits that support nerve health and function. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. These healthy fats are essential for building and maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective layer around nerve fibers. By promoting the integrity of the myelin sheath, walnuts contribute to efficient nerve signaling, enhancing cognitive function and overall neurological health. Additionally, walnuts contain high levels of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the nervous system. Oxidative stress can damage nerve cells and impair their function, leading to cognitive decline and various neurological disorders. The antioxidants in walnuts help combat this damage, promoting optimal nerve health. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable known for its vibrant green florets, is not only a nutritional powerhouse but also an excellent food choice for promoting nerve health. Packed with an array of essential nutrients, broccoli offers numerous benefits for the nervous system. One of the key components of broccoli that supports nerve health is vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant plays a vital role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. By reducing inflammation and neutralizing harmful molecules, vitamin C helps maintain the integrity of nerve tissues, promoting optimal nerve function. Broccoli is also rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for nerve cell development and repair. Folate plays a crucial role in synthesizing DNA and other genetic materials, which are necessary for proper nerve cell growth and communication. Adequate folate intake is particularly important during periods of rapid nerve development, such as in early childhood and pregnancy. Furthermore, broccoli contains a range of other important nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. These components contribute to overall brain health and can support nerve function by reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and enhancing the integrity of nerve cell membranes. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds, with their delicate flavor and satisfying crunch, are not only a delicious snack, but also a fantastic food choice for promoting nerve health. Packed with essential nutrients, almonds offer numerous benefits that support the proper functioning of the nervous system. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant known for its protective effects on nerve cells. Vitamin E helps neutralize harmful free radicals and reduces oxidative stress, which can damage nerves and impair their function. By including almonds in your diet, you can provide your nerves with this essential nutrient, promoting their health and vitality. Whether enjoyed as a snack, sprinkled over salads, or used as an ingredient in baked goods, almonds provide a convenient and nutritious way to support your nerve health. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits. Among its many virtues, turmeric is particularly renowned for its positive effects on nerve health. With its vibrant yellow color and distinct flavor, this ancient spice contains a potent compound called curcumin, which holds remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been studied extensively for its potential neuroprotective effects. It has been shown to modulate various molecular pathways in the body, leading to reduced inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to nerve damage and degeneration. By inhibiting inflammatory markers and scavenging free radicals, curcumin can help protect and repair nerve cells, promoting their overall health and function. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be a simple and delicious way to harness its nerve-nourishing properties. It can be used in various culinary preparations, such as curries, stews, smoothies, and golden milk. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is a versatile leafy green vegetable that not only nourishes the body, but also provides numerous benefits for the nervous system. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like magnesium and potassium, spinach is a powerhouse of nerve-boosting goodness. One of the key nutrients found in spinach is magnesium, which plays a vital role in nerve function and transmission. Magnesium helps regulate the electrical impulses that travel along the nerves, ensuring smooth and efficient communication throughout the body. Adequate magnesium levels are crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function and preventing conditions like neuropathy. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to benefiting our nervous system. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, blueberries provide a range of essential nutrients that promote optimal nerve health. Blueberries are known for their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect our nerves from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants in blueberries, such as anthocyanins, have been shown to have neuroprotective properties, shielding the nerves from inflammation and degeneration. Blueberries are also a great source of vitamins C and E, which play key roles in maintaining nerve function. Vitamin C helps to repair and regenerate damaged nerves, while vitamin E protects the nerve cells from oxidative damage. By including blueberries in your diet, you can ensure an adequate intake of these vitamins, supporting the health and integrity of your nervous system. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon, often referred to as the brain food, is widely regarded as one of the best foods for promoting nerve health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, salmon offers numerous benefits to support the optimal functioning of the nervous system. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells and promoting communication between them. These fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the nervous system and supporting the growth and development of nerve tissue. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you can ensure an ample supply of these essential fatty acids. Consuming salmon regularly can help prevent deficiencies in these vital vitamins, promoting nerve function and preventing conditions such as peripheral neuropathy. So enjoy these delicious foods and let them become your allies in supporting your nerves, helping you navigate life with ease and promoting your overall well-being. Cheers to a happy and healthy nervous system. So there you have it, 7 best foods for your nerves. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications for more amazing content. See you again.